What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over how you can get 2 free stocks and win $100. Well, guys, as you know, I did a video review the other day, a very short one on Webull, just going over a few little bullet points on the actual platform itself. Well, I've already made my first trade on Webull, and I did it in the mobile, and I do have it recorded, and I will show it to you right now.
All right, guys, so here we go. The bell rang, and we're still in XXII. And right now, we are up still 6% on this stock. 115 is building up a wall here, and it looks like it might not break through it. So I might look to exit this here just to conserve profits here on this little account. So we'll go ahead and put out some sell order here. Let's see. So we'll mark it out just for simplicity. Spread is pretty tight. 1 penny spread, 115 over 116. We've broken that 115 wall, but doesn't look like it's going to hold much. So we'll go ahead and exit there. Open order has been filled, and that's it. Just like that, we made about 7% profit, and not bad. We're up $9 in this account. I had $100 in here. I sold a $3 stock that I had there for free, and made a couple bucks now. So up $109 in this little account. Just wanted to show you how easy it was to sell on here, which, as you saw, took about 1 second.
Well, guys, now that you saw how the trade unfolded, more or less, you saw how you sell, you saw how you kind of move around in the app itself, I'm going to show you the web platform. The web platform is pretty robust, and I look forward to giving it a shot here. I might take a little swing trade here soon with it if I find something that's easy, like that swing trade I took where I can make a couple bucks, just to get a feel for it and maybe record it and show it to you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do that. But now, today's, as you already know, it's zero commissions. It's zero commissions. It has a margin account. You can short stocks. Pre-market starts at 4 a.m. The broker has a whole bunch of stuff. This thing is really very intuitive. I mean, there's so much to this. There's so many tools. Look at this. You can even see Forex on here. It's ridiculous. To trade, the desktop version. Look at this thing. It almost looks like your standard software like E-Trade Pro or anything like that, maybe DAS a little bit, but the point is that everything's on here. You have candlesticks, you have your MACD, you have all sorts of tools you can add. You can alternate between 1, 5, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, daily, etc. charts. There's just so much on here. Look at all different markets. Guys, there's just so much on here. It's insane, and then, if you want to trade, you can put your limit orders in, your market, your stop limit, quantity of stock you want to buy. There's just so much to this. It even has level 2. You do have to subscribe to level 2, so it will cost you some money here monthly from what I've seen. But nonetheless, I mean, this thing is really, really, really intuitive. Has so much, it's just so many different options and things you can do on it. But anyways, the point of this video, right? Let me move myself back down here because I just feel weird floating up there where I was. So the point of this video, guys, is very simple. When you sign up to Webull, okay, you get a free stock automatically. This special, I believe, ends towards the end of the month, right? So the sooner you take advantage of it, the sooner you'll be able to get your free stuff. Then when you deposit $100 into your account, you get a second free stock, okay? And I'll show you here my free stocks. I mean, I've gotten stocks valued up to $30. Let's see here, Webull. So when you sign up, you already get your 1 free stock. Now, you do have to go into the app and go into that little promotion section, okay? And, click where you kind of claim it. It'll say claim your free stock, and you click that. When you click your free stock, then you get it. Okay, check out my free stocks here. Look at this. Okay, So you can definitely get your free stocks there. Now, you get one free stock when you sign up. You get another free stock when you deposit $100. So what we're going to do here, and this is just a one-time deal, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put my own money up here for a raffle, okay? Like, you click the link down in the description section below or in the comment section. You establish your account with Webull, and when you deposit your $100 into your account, okay, you're going to automatically be entered. You have to email me. It'll automatically qualify you to enter into the raffle for $100 that I'm going to give to you. So you have to click, make your account, deposit $100. When your account clears, you know that the deposit is made, that it's official. I'll know because I'll see it on my end since you're using my link. You email me and show me, hey Jesse, here's my confirmation. My account's been established. Here's $100, and I'm gonna drop an email down there as well. You email me that the confirmation with the same email address. You email me from the same email address that you used to establish your account, and when I see that it's legit, you're automatically gonna be in the raffle. And we're gonna put all those names together, and we're gonna do an automatic generator, right? And whoever wins is gonna win $100. So I will PayPal it to you or send it to you in Bitcoin, whatever you want, however you want it, I'll send it to you. It's not a problem. But you have to use the link below, and you have to send me the email confirmation that shows me that you truly did do all the steps, which means opening an account and depositing at $100 in there. That's going to ensure that you get your 2 free stocks from Webull, and it's going to also ensure that you're going to be entered into the contest where you can win $100 from me. Okay, so that's all you got to do for it. Very simple. And then, I mean, you can go ahead and mess around with the app. I mean, it has paper trading and everything, so you can use the web platform, you can use the app itself. Like I said, the app works fairly well. You know, I'm going to show you the video and where I took my trade. And if you like it, great, you keep using it. If you don't, well, hey, you claim your 2 free stocks and maybe you win $100. Never know. Well, I hope you enjoyed this contest. Well, at least the start of the contest. Let me know your thoughts. Drop them in the comment section below. Also, in the comment section below, let me know if you're going to go ahead and do it. Just click the link in the description section or in the comment section. There's going to be a link on both sides where you can go and open up your account. Let me know when you do it. Just say, I did it, and put it in the comment section below. Hope you're having a great day. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.